In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice to give it a more personalized and professional touch. We all know that branding is crucial in making a lasting impression on your clients, and one effective way to achieve this is by tailoring your invoices with a distinctive style. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow. To begin, you'll want to locate and access the gear icon on your dashboard. This is typically symbolized by a cogwheel, and it's your gateway to a variety of customization settings for your account. Upon clicking it, you'll enter a menu with multiple options. What you're looking for here is the Custom Form Styles option. This is where you can breathe new life into the standard format of your invoices and other business forms. Once you're in the Custom Form Styles section, you're just a click away from personalization magic. Here, you'll find various options to tweak and tailor your forms. Your next course of action is to click on the Edit button adjacent to your invoice template. This takes you into the customization interface where you have the power to modify different elements of the invoice. It's all designed to be intuitive, but remember, if at any stage you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to think about the brand message you wish to convey through your design choices. Now, you're in the editing phase of your invoice design. This is the exciting part where the transformation begins. In the top part of the editing interface, there's a designated header section. Think of this as the introductory paragraph of your brand. It's where your business can immediately be identified by your clients, setting the tone for all further communications. Within this header section, there is an option to upload your logo. Click on the Upload button and a File Explorer window will open, allowing you to choose the logo file from your computer. It's important to select a high-quality version of your logo. Ideally, it should be clear and recognizable, as this emblem represents your brand's identity. Once you've selected your logo and it's uploaded, the logo will appear in the header space of your invoice template. Take a moment to ensure it looks just right, occupying the appropriate area without any distortion. This simple addition can elevate the entire appearance of your invoice. Now you can admire your hard work, a customized invoice that not only performs its function but leaves a lasting impression with your unique brand identity front and center. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to save your work before exiting the menu to ensure your customization is applied to future invoices. This effort in personalization speaks volumes and can significantly enhance the professionalism of your business communications. That's all for today's video. Try it for yourself and see how it transforms your invoicing into a seamless extension of your brand.